Good morning everyone. Let's do surface area and volume of a cone. I gave you 4 important formulae yesterday to calculate surface area, total surface area, volume and slant height. In yesterday's video I had done few sums. I'll be doing some more sums and these sums are important. So please do practice. Question number 12. Question number 12E. Question says that ratio of the base of radii of two right circular cones of same height is 3:4. Ratio of radii is equal to 3:4, and it says that they have same height. Find the ratio of their volumes. So you write first cylinder. You have to split it up and solve it. First cone, not cylinder, and right other side second cylinder cone. Radius, it is 3, so we write 3 only, or you can take variable 3x because it is given in ratio, so you can assume it as 3x. Radius of second one is 4x. Height, same height, so we take it as h. Height, we take it as h. They have same height. Calculate volume of the first one. 1/3 pi r square h. 1/3, keep pi as it is. Radius 3x multiplied by 3x into height. Leave it like this, you should not be simplifying it. Volume of second cone, 1/3 pi r square h. 1/3 pi, radius is 4x into height. Now we calculate the ratio of the volumes. Ratio of volumes. Write on the volume of the first one. 1/3 pi 3x into height is 2. 1/3 pi 4x into height. You can cancel now. 1/3 pi cancels. Height cancels. Variables you can cancel. Multiply it. 3 multiplied by 3 is 9 is to 16. This is one way to solve it, or you could solve it like this. Ratio of volumes equal to 1/3 pi r square h is to 1/3 pi r square h. 1/3 pi cancels, height cancels. You are left with r square is to r square. You cannot cancel it because they have different radius. 3 square is to 4 square, so which is equal to 9 is to 16. This is another way to find the ratio of their volumes when radii are given in the ratio. Look at this question number 12C. Height and radius of base of a right circular cone is half. The corresponding height and radius of another big cone. So you write small cone and leave some gap and write here big cone. We do not know the radius and we do not know height, so we take height of radius of big cone as x, height as y. Take it as two different variables. Now read the question carefully. Height and radius of the base right circular cone is half the radius of the big cone. So radius is x by 2, half. Height is y by 2. You write these dimensions using the condition. Then question says that first one, ratio of their volumes. So ratio of volumes. I am solving it directly. 1/3 pi r squared height is to 1/3 pi r squared height. 1/3 pi, 1/3 pi, you cancel. You cannot cancel radius and height because they have different values. Substitute the first one. X upon 2 whole square into y upon 2. Radius is x whole square into height is y. Simplify it. X square upon 4 into y upon 2 is to x square into y. You can simplify this now. X square cancels, y cancels. You are left with 1 divides by 8 is to 1. Ratio should not be left in fractions, so you take this 8 and multiply it. 1 is to 8. This is how we calculate the ratio of volumes when you have conditions given. Second part, question says that find the ratio of their lateral surface areas. Ratio of lateral surface area. Lateral surface area is another name for curved surface area. It is pi RL is to pi RL. If you look at this one, we know radius, but we do not know slant height. So you need to calculate slant height for both. For this one, L equal to root under h squared plus r squared. Leave it like this. For this one, L equal to root under. Or you can substitute here, the value is there, you can put the value root y squared plus x squared. Calculation for this now, small cone. L equal to root under y divides by 2 squared plus x by 2 whole squared. You have to simplify this. Y squared by 4 plus x squared by 4, which can be written as LCM 4 y squared plus x squared. Root will be only for numerator now. Only for numerator. Y squared plus x squared divides y square root of 4 is 2. Now you know the slant height. Ratio of lateral surface areas. Lateral surface areas. Pi RL is to pi RL. Pi cancels. You cannot cancel the radius because it is x by 2. Slant height is root under y squared plus x squared by 2 is 2. Radius is x root under x squared y squared plus x squared. Now cancel it. X cancels, root term cancels. You are left with 1 upon 4 is to 1. 1 is to 4. Condition based sum when you don't have any values given. So watch it carefully and then do the same sum yourself. Now look at this question number 13. It is an important sum. Question says that find what length of canvas 2 meter wide. You have a canvas 2 meter wide. What length means you have to find the length of this canvas used to make a conical tent 20 meter in diameter and 42 meter in slant height. So this cloth is folded and stitched such that you get a cone. So you need to find the length of the canvas, and there is a condition given in the question: allow 10% for the folds and stitching. Also find the cost of the canvas. So see how do we solve it. First we write cone, and you are given with dimensions of the cone. Diameter required to make a conical tent 20 meter in diameter. Diameter is given 20 meter. Radius has to be calculated using this 20 by 2, which is equal to 10 meter. Slant height is given, which is 42 meter. Then you write other side canvas. Width is given 2 meter. Question says that find length. So what do we do when we calculate the length of the canvas? Canvas is folded and made into a cone. So we calculate curved surface area of the cone first. Pi RL, curved surface area of tent. We know pi 22 by 7, radius is 10, slant height is 42. 6 times 42, 12, 13, 0 meter square. This is the curved part of the tent. You have a condition given in the question: 10% is allowed for folds and stitching. So canvas used for folds and stitching, 10% of curved surface area. Remember this, because on the curved surface area part it is folded and stitched. So it is 10 divided by 100 into 1320. Cancel it. You get 132 meter square is used for folds and stitching. After getting this, you calculate total amount of canvas used. Curved surface area, the curved part, and used for folds and stitching 132, 2541 meter square. This is the total area of canvas used. After finding this, we write area of canvas equal to total canvas used to make tent. Area of the canvas is length multiplied by breadth. Total is 1452. We have to calculate length. Width is given to 1452. Calculate length. 1452 divided by 2. 7 to 6 meter. 726 meter of canvas is used to make the tent. Second part, also find the cost of canvas equal to rate multiplied by length. And whenever we purchase cloth, we always purchase in terms of length. So 726 is the length and rate is given in the question. If you multiply by 726, multiply this to get the answer in rupees. So this is how we calculate the length of the canvas and the cost. Same question you can do it this way. Same question you can do with the help of different values. Take width as 4 meter. Then you take diameter as 40 meter. Slant height, take it as 50 meter. And do the same calculation using these dimensions. Now look at this question number 15. It is an important sum. This 15 had come in ICSE. The volume of a right circular cone. Volume of cone is given 9856 centimeter cube. Area of the base is given. Area of base 616 centimeter square. Find slant height and total surface area. To calculate slant height, you require two dimensions, radius and height. Both are missing here. Volume has formula 1/3 pi r square h. Both are missing. Area of the base and base of the cone is in form of a circle, and area of circle is pi r square. So you have only one variable. So we can use area of base to calculate radius. And when we know radius, we can use volume to calculate height. So area of base, which is in form of circle, so we write pi r square equals to 616 22/7 r square 616 r square 616 into 7 divides by 22. Cancel it. 11 2 times 22, 11 5 times 11 6 times 28. R square equals to 7 into 8 is 56, 5, 14, 96. R equals to root under 196, square root of 196 is 14 centimeter. We know the radius. Now this radius is used to calculate the height. So we write volume of cone 1/3 pi r square into height equal to 9856. Substitute 1/3 into 22/7. Radius is 14 into 14 into height equals to 9856. You can cancel here only. 7 2 times 2 into 20, 22 into 2 into 14 into height 9856 into 3. Cross multiplication. Make height the subject of formula. 9856 into 3 divides by 22 into 2 into 14. Cancel it. Look at the cancellation. I'll be cancelling with small numbers. 2. 4 times 8. 1 is left. 9. 2 times 4. 1 is left. 8. Again I can cancel this by 2. 7 times 2 times 4. 2 4 times 8. 2 6 times 12. 2 4 times 8. can cancel by 11 or you can cancel by 2 again, no problem. 11, 1, 2, 3, 2. It is divisible by 11 now. 11 ones, 1 is left. 11 1, 2 is left. 11 2 times. Now you can cancel by 7. 7 1, 4 is left. 7 6 times 42. Height equal to 3 multiplied by 16, which is equal to 48 centimeter. You know both radius and height. Now proceed with calculation of slant height. First part, slant height L equal to root h squared plus r squared. Height is 48 whole squared. 14 squared. Multiply 48 twice. 64, 6. 8 into 4 is 32. 38. 8 into 4 is 32. 3. 16, 19. 4, 0, 12, 13, 2. It is equal to 2304 plus 196. Add it up, you get 2500. Square root of 2500 is 50 centimeters. Slant height. Once you know the slant height, you can calculate total surface area. Total surface area equals to pi r L plus pi r squared. Take pi r common, L plus r. Simplify the formula. Calculation will be easier. 22 by 7. Radius is 14. Slant height is 50 plus 14. 7 2 times 44 multiplied is added up, you get 64. Multiply, you get total surface area of the cone whose volume and area of base is given. Question number 16, the last question from the exercise. Question says that a right angle triangle with sides 16 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 10 centimeter is revolved about side 8 centimeter. Find the volume and curved surface area of cone formed. And I told you the definition yesterday. A solid obtained by revolving a right angle triangle on its side is called cone. So you have a right angle triangle. This right angle triangle is revolved around side 8 centimeter. And when we revolve it, we get a figure, solid figure, that is called cone. In right angle triangle, the longest side is taken as hypotenuse 10 and you have base 6. So if you look at the diagram out here, you know all the dimensions required for cone. Radius is 6 centimeter from center to circumference. Height is 8 centimeter. Slant height is 10 centimeter. Question says that calculate volume 1 upon 3 pi r squared into height 1 upon 3. Question has pi 3.14. 3.14. You have to use as the values are given. If it is not, you can use 22 by 7. Radius is 6 into 6 into slant height. Height is 8. 2 times 6. 3.14 into 2 into 6 into 8. multiply, you get the value of volume. Second part, curve surface area. Curve surface area equals to pi RL. 3.14, radius is 6, slant height is 10. Again multiplication, you get curve surface area. There are some important sums in the example, and please do these sums as homework. Page number 401. Question number 4. Question number 6 came in ICSE 2017. Question number 7. Question number 9 is an important sum, came in 2008. So these are the sums you need to practice from the topic surface area and volume of cone. Please do memorize the formulae. I've been telling you this whole mensuration chapter is based on formulae. So you have to know the formulae on your fingertips. And once you know, only the substitution and calculation is needed. So please do practice. Keep in touch. Thank you very much. Stay safe.